To buy GrokRocket token. So this token came under the symbol of GRocket. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See please close below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, so as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token also trending number 18 on the Solana section. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as you can see. That's when your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your Fudge wallet for that. And here click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it. And here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on solve. So after that, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch, as you see, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues it came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy the token without an issue. So this is how to buy GRocket token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.